Hey guys, quick property investment tip to my young professional friends out there. Now guys, I wish someone told me about this strategy when I started my property investment journey 15 years ago. The first thing that you want to focus on, guys, is focus on affordable areas within a 10 to 15 kilometer radius from your workplace. Why do we want to focus on affordable areas? Because typically the rental yields in those areas are higher than your more expensive areas. What do I mean with rental yields? It basically means the amount of rent that you can get compared to the property price that you'll pay for the property when you buy it. Second thing we want to focus on is let's focus on properties in that affordable area that needs a lot more attention and TLC compared to the other properties. You know, the property you drive past and say, geez, I don't want to live there because, you know, the paint job looks terrible. The garden is in a terrible condition. Those are the properties we want to focus on. You might be asking, why on earth do we want to focus on those properties? Because it's going to give you more negotiation power when you're looking to buy that property. Remember guys, as property investors, we always want to buy a property under market value. So that's the second thing. Third thing that we want to do is, seeing that you're a young professional, we want to move to that property. As soon as you bought it, you move into it, and within a 6 to 12 month period, you add all the value to that property that you can. You paint the property, redo the garden, you might be able to put in an extra bedroom, and so you're adding value to the property. Within a 12-month period, we add all the value to the property, and then we start looking for a tenant that can replace you. Yes, guys, we're going to put a tenant in your property, you're going to move out, and you're going to start that whole process over again. Guys, within a 3 to 5 year period, you will be able to buy 3 to 5 properties for under market rental value at high rental yields, and you will be able to build significant wealth within a 5 to 10 year period. Now, if this was helpful, guys, and you want to learn more about property investment strategies, I want you to drop the word strategy in the comments. We'll reach out to you. We'll share more strategies, especially if you're starting off your property investment journey as a young professional. Good luck, guys, and we'll keep sharing tips with you, and we'll chat to you soon.